If you work in accounting or finance and you're using Business Central, then you probably know that doing dimensional analysis can be a little bit of a challenge. Business Central has these things called analysis views, which allow you to do dimensional analysis on the data in your environment. However, these analysis views have to be predefined, meaning that you have to decide which dimensions you're going to use in each analysis view, and they also have to be updated. Now, of course, you can update them on posting. Some people say there's performance issues with that. I'm not going to comment on that one way or another, but it is something to think about. A lot of times, what people are going to do, if they choose to use this analysis view, is to use the analysis by dimensions, show the matrix of the results, and then they need to proceed to drill down on any of the numbers to get to that next level of detail. This is possible to work like this. However, there's a better way, and most of the time, I know from my history of implementing ERP systems, the first question when you get to this kind of reporting or detail is going to be, can I export this to Excel? So let's look at how we can do this kind of filtering in Excel directly with live Business Central data, with Velixo, and with less limitations. So this example is going to show how you can create filtered drop-down selections for any and all of your Business Central dimensions using live Business Central data. So you will have control to select only the valid values from Business Central. Users won't be able to select something wrong because we have validation in place. And this will be seamless, easy reporting with zero maintenance needed as values change and zero need to constantly update your views. What does the end result look like? Well, for example, maybe I want to look at a report like this, which is similar to a trial balance. And you'll notice up here I have all my Business Central dimensions as well as my accounts. And I can pick and mix and match any of those values to filter and see where I have results. So let's say, for example, I want area 70. I filter this to area 70. I can filter again a particular customer group. I can filter to a particular business group. All of my dimensions I can use. There's no limit. I don't have to work with just 4 of my dimensions at any given time. If I want data for different date ranges, I simply adjust my date range filters. If I want data for different GL accounts, I simply adjust my GL account filter. So very easy, nimble, and agile to work with. How does this happen? Well, we have a series of dedicated Business Central functions in Velixo, and we can expand all of our different lists that exist within the ERP. These lists are going to automatically refresh and update as changes happen in the ERP so that you are not updating them. For example, we can expand the account range and see all the GL accounts that exist in Business Central. We can expand the dimension range and see what dimensions we have in our Business Central environment. And we can proceed to expand the list of values that exist within each dimension in Business Central. Now, this is a basic filtering example, so we would stop at this point. And these become the fuel for our drop-down list. For example, my area dimension, using plain old standard Excel data validation, I'm referencing my area dimension from my tab here, my options, and this list again will contract and expand as things change in Business Central. With that in place, then all I have to do is simply use the report. I have dedicated functions for opening balance, for turnover or activity, for closing balance. So this information is coming live from Business Central. And as we saw before, is fully responsive to the changes or the selections that I make as I'm browsing my filters. So this gives me a very nimble way to analyze my data. If you like what you've seen here and you want to learn more, or you want to learn how to do this yourself, please feel free to contact us anytime and we'd be happy to talk about it. Thanks for watching.